Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Alexander and today I want to talk to you a little bit more about my new accordion, Accordina, Honor Accordina C system. It's a new instrument I bought recently and I'm having so much fun with this instrument. This instrument is, as you can see, smaller. It's 120 bass accordion, but it's smaller format. It's built for students, for kids, 10 years old, 11, something like that. As you can see, it has only 3 registers. And let's see, it has 1, 2 octaves, around 3 octaves, maybe 3.5 octaves of range. And this is great for kids, for when they start learning C system accordion, or this size accordion. This accordion has enough notes to cover all of the basic that a kid needs to learn. Yeah, I'm having so much fun with it. Interesting thing with this button accordion, and I have played before other button accordions, mostly B system. I find out that these buttons are actually smaller, and I have pretty big hand and fat fingers, but these buttons are smaller. They're a little bit harder to hit when you play, but that's a good thing. When you're learning to play this type of instrument, you need precision. You need precision in your fingers, and there is no room for mistake, so to say. It's actually a pretty good for practice. All of the notes work perfectly well, and I'm not fan of this color, of this golden color of bellows and the buttons and the basses, but generally this looks well. This accordion is, as a C system, quite opposite of a B system, and B system is more natural to me because of my free bass on my piano accordion. B system is much more around me, place where I live, so naturally I'm more accustomed to the B system. But going opposite way, it really needs time to get used to this. Not just in hitting the notes, but figuring out where the notes are. And if I have time, I'm gonna make it, and just one note at a time, learn it and practice it, and that's it. But I try to play chords. The stuff I usually play on my piano accordion, it just won't work. I need to really think and figure out what's happening where, and that's like an extra step or two before I can play properly, and that's okay. I mean, that's okay. This is not my original instrument, so it's like learning a new instrument, only half of it, because the bass is already there. And the C system is actually in a way similar to piano accordion, not in terms of the buttons, of course, but in terms of the setup of the hand. When you play a C major scale, you also start with 1, 2, 3. And that's not just that, but that's like the basic position, and it really helps in terms of the logic when it comes to the fingering. And I noticed that it's very useful if you use 1 in that first row. It really opens up the possibilities for multiple fingering options, and not just the thumb here on the first row, but also in the middle, like it's very useful. Which on the B system, if you don't have to use it, you won't use it, and you don't have to use it most of the time. And that's quite interesting for me also. It helps me when I teach students, having instrument like this to actually try it out what students supposed to play and to tell them the fingering will really gives me the perspective and better understanding of how to play certain piece.